Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to summarize text in QwenLM AI. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone or your computer, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, search for QwenLM AI. From the search results, find the link with chat.qwenlm.ai and navigate to this website. After you are in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now over here in the middle, you can see the text field. Click on it. You can type any questions over here that you want to ask. So in order to summarize the text, you can type in the piece of paragraph or bunch of text that you want to get summarized. So I pasted this random paragraph from a story. At the top, I will give a prompt to summarize this text in 150 words. You can be as specific with your prompts in order to draw out the specific results as per your requirement. So after that, you can click on the send a message option. And there you go. I give a prompt of a very long paragraph and QwenLM has summarized this whole paragraph in 150 words as per my instruction, like this. So there you go. That's how you can easily summarize text in QwenLM AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.